Hello friends, welcome to my channel World of Physical Chemistry. In this video I am going to discuss with you Boyle's law. First we understand what do you mean by the gas laws. Any change in pressure or temperature will affect the volume of the gas. The volume of a given sample of gas depends on the pressure and temperature applied to it. As result of extensive research on the physical properties of gases carried out by various scientists for several centuries. Scientists derived the relationship between the pressure, temperature and volume of a given mass of gas, and such relationship describes the general behavior of gases, which are called as gas laws. Now let us discuss in detail Boyle's law. The first quantitative relationship between volume and pressure of a gas was studied experimentally by Robert Boyle in 1662 and reported that volume of a gas at constant temperature decreased with increasing pressure. This highly important generalization is known as Boyle's law. The law states that the volume of a fixed mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure at constant temperature, and mathematically Boyle's law expressed as volume of a gas is inversely proportional to pressure pressure at a constant temperature and mass. Or we can write V is equal to K into 1 upon P, where K is the proportionality constant. On simple rearrangement of equation 1, we get PV is equal to K, that is the constant, as expression number 2. From equation 2, we can say that at a constant temperature, the product of pressure and volume of a fixed amount of gas is constant. If a fixed amount of gas at constant temperature T occupying volume V1 at pressure P1 undergoes expansion so that volume becomes V2 and pressure becomes P2, then according to Boyle's law we can write P1 into V1 is equal to P2 into V2, which is equal to constant. From equation 3 we can say that the law can be experimentally verified by measuring the volumes of a given mass of gas at different pressures, keeping the temperature constant. In each case the product pressure and volume is found to be constant. Equation 3, it can be also written as P1 upon P2 is equal to Vt upon V1. Equation 3 or 4 is useful for the determination of the volume of a gas at any pressure if its volume at any other pressure is known. Now let us discuss the graphical representation of Boyle's law. In figure 1, plot of pressure against 1 upon P is shown. And if we plot a graph of P as a function of 1 upon V, we obtain the straight line passing through origin. That straight line indicates that 1 upon V regularly increases with an increase in pressure. If we plot a product of pressure and volume against pressure at a particular temperature, then that figure indicates that PV values remain constant in spite of regular increase in pressure. When the pressure of a gas is plotted against the volume, we obtain a family of curves as shown in figure 3. In figure 3, each curve is a hyperbola with a different value of K. Since for a given mass of gas, K varies only with temperature. Each curve corresponds to a different fixed temperature and is known as isotherm, that is constant temperature plot. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.